Okay, so for lesson number 19, we're going to learn to graph from the standard form. In the last lesson, you learned how to graph from slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And so you learned how to identify the y-intercept and the slope, which allowed you to graph the line. If I gave you a line like this, if the equation was in this form, 2x minus 3y equals 6, you know from a couple of lessons ago, lesson number 17, that you have to transform this equation into y equals mx plus b in order to identify the slope and y-intercept. And that's a decent amount of work. So luckily we have a way to graph equations that are in standard form where it doesn't necessarily require you to change it into y equals mx plus b. And we do that by finding the intercepts. So here's how it works. Okay, we are going to solve for the x and y intercepts. Intercepts mean where it crosses the axis. So if we're looking for an x-intercept, we're looking for where this graph is going to cross the x-axis. If we're on the x-axis, the y value is 0. So what that allows me to do is that allows me to plug in 0 for y, which essentially eliminates this term because anything times 0 is going to be 0. So I don't need to write that. I can just write 2x equals 6. And now I can solve this equation for x, which essentially means divide both sides by 2, and I can get x equals 3. So that means that my x-intercept is 3, 0, and I can plot that on the graph. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing for the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where we cross the y-axis. And so our x value is going to be 0. So I'm going to plug in 0 for x. Again, this term goes to 0. So I don't even really need to write it. Divide both sides by -3 gives me -2. So my y-intercept is going to be 0, -2, and I can plot that. So now I've got 2 points on the graph. I can go ahead and take my ruler, and I can line that up. I don't know if you can see my ruler, but I'm lining up my ruler on those 2 points, and then I'm going to draw the line through those 2 points. Add my arrows like I normally would, and now I'm done. So I didn't have to go through all the trouble of getting this equation to have y by itself to move it into y equals mx plus b form. I can actually graph from finding the intercepts just by plugging in 0 for y in order to find my x-intercept and plugging in 0 for x in order to find my y-intercept. Okay, so what do I need to do? I have to calculate or solve for, let's say solve for x and y intercepts. Plot them. Plot the intercepts. Graph the line. Once again, we plug in 0 for y in order to find our x-intercept. We plug in 0 for x in order to find our y-intercept. That's all you got to do.